in the result recording screen, whatever is our original value which we have entered for the MICs which we have measured. Sometimes our values are 2 decimal places or it is 3 decimal places. So handle the decimal places for the quantitative MIC. The final overall valuation value, how many digits we want in the decimal places. Round off should be 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places. Let's see how it works in the system. Okay, so let me show you the details of my MIC. QS23, enter, plant is 1000 and my MIC is a test 1. Okay, press enter key. Is a quantitative MIC, and in the control indicator as upper and lower sampling procedure, single result recording, fixed scope, and remaining controls are default only, except in this formula I have selected this input processing. So if you click on F1 key here, you can get some extra information regarding it. While processing the results, these decimal places can be controlled with this part. So let's save it. Now let me show you my inspection plan. QP02, this is my material and the plant. Press enter key. I have entered control key QM01, and in the inspection characteristics, I have assigned the same MIC test 1. And let me show you the control indicator once again: lower upper limit, sampling procedure, single result recording, and in the formula it is input processing. Sampling procedure which I am using here is a fixed sample with a sample size 2. Okay, and the manual valuation I have selected. Let's go back. And one more thing is there that if I select this MIC and in the quantitative data, we have this decimal place option. Okay, so here we can specify how many decimal places we want. So at present you can see it is showing 2, and my specifications are, if I change it to 1, now you can see this is single digit, my lower limits and upper limits. Okay, but if I keep it say 2 and press enter key, now the decimal places has been changed to 2 decimal places for my limits, upper and lower limits. Here is input processing under the formula. We have 2 options. One is output equals to input and another is output according to the significant digits. So if I select, say, first one, which is an output is equal to input, means whatever is my input value, C will be taken as an output. And if you click on this I icon, it will give you the further detail about this particular field. So let's see how it works in the system. I have kept my decimal places, 2 places. Okay, save it. Let's create a lot for it. QE01 and material is this. Press enter key. 89 lot I'm creating. Quantity I can keep it 25. Sample has been calculated. Save it. Now we can go for the result recording. So here you can see that specification are 5 to 10 and it is a single result recording. So I can enter say 5 point. If I enter say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, press enter key. Press enter key again. Okay, so valuation has been added and whatever value I have added, that is the original value and the result values are same only in this case. Okay, so let me enter another value and this time I am entering suppose 10 point. I can enter say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 decimal places I have entered and press enter key. Okay, press enter once again. So you can see it has done the round off in this case. This is my original value which we have entered and it has round off the last digit. Okay. And overall valuation value, this place, it is showing 3 decimal places, right? 7.623. Let's check the results once again. What we have entered is 5.12345 plus 10.1234567 and 8 I have entered. Okay, so this is mine and 9. So this is the value I have entered, and if we divide it by 2, so now you will get this result, and you can see the result is same only 7.623, but it is taking the first 3 decimal places, okay, and the round off has been done for it. Let me unlock it, and this time I'm entering 10. Okay, so you can see that now no decimal places has been added because the value entered was 10 and the original result value again is coming as 10. So whatever we enter as an input is taken as the result in this case, which we have selected, and the overall valuation value is 3 decimal places it is showing me. Whereas in the inspection plan, we have kept it as 2 decimal places. Let me show you the inspection plan in the display mode for it. In the inspection characteristics, select this and go for the quantitative data. The decimal places I have kept it 2. And here it is showing me 2 decimal places, and my input processes output is equal to input, but it is showing me here in 3 decimal places. So let me show you why it is showing me 1 extra decimal place. So if we go for the configuration QCC 0, here in the maintain setting at the plant level, I'm using 1000 as my plant. So double click on it. In the result recording tab, here you will find this additional decimal places, okay, which is 1. So this additional extra 1 decimal places we have entered. That's why it is showing me 3 decimal places value. 2 from the inspection plan it is picking, and 1, this additional 1 is added. So if I make it say 2 and let's save it, then in the inspection plan we have kept it 2, and here also we have added 2 additional. Okay, I'm not changing here any data. In the inspection plan, 89 lot I can create. Let's go to QA01. Press enter key. So this is my material. Press enter. 25 I am entering and save it. We can do the result recording. Okay, press enter key, and let's try the same case again. So this time I'm entering 5.12345 again. Okay, press enter key again. Enter. Okay, so now you can see it is showing me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 same decimal places. This time in the lower half, I'm entering 10.123456789. Okay, so press enter key again, enter again. Now again, you can see it has done the round off for the decimal places in the second case, but the overall valuation value is now not 3 decimal place, it is showing me 4 decimal places, okay? 7.6235 it is showing me. This extra decimal place is picked from the configuration what we have maintained in the result recordings. So let's save it, and now let's try the second case which we have seen in the inspection plan. So this is my material and the plant. Press enter key. Select this and go to the inspection characteristics, select this, and in the quantitative data, this time I'm changing my input processing part. Instead of 100, which is output is equal to input, I'm selecting 200, which is a output according to the significant digits. Save it, and we can again create a lot, QA01. Press enter key. Quantity I am keeping it 25, and then save it. And now go for the result recording and again enter the same data. Okay, so 5.12345. Entering, press enter key again. Okay. And here again, I will enter 10.123456789. Okay, press enter key and press enter again. We have entered the original value was 10.123456789, but it has done the round off for this. Okay. And it is showing me 10.123 instead of the original value which we have entered. The overall valuation again is 4 decimal places. 2 we have maintained in the inspection plan and 2 additional decimal places we have maintained in the configuration. Okay, so this is how it works. We can maintain the decimal places how we want in the result recording screen. These are the specification which are taking 2 decimal places because in the inspection plan we have maintained 2 decimal places, whereas in the overall valuation of the result it is 4 decimal places. The configuration we can maintain the additional decimal places also. You press F1 key, extra information you can get from here. Evaluate and save it. This manual valuation is selected. So now you can see this is accepted. Okay, and save it.